Hey everyone, welcome. I can't remember where this one come from. So you guys will know before I do because it'll be in the title. But I think I know the picture of which, I just can't remember. Oh, paint gem. Ah ha ha. So I ordered, I don't want to call it a custom because it's not really a custom, but you could, what do you call it? Put your, yes, I got it closed. It's not open. Oh my gosh. Let me pause this. Hold on. Wow, that was really hard to open. All right, that's awesome. Oh, look at this. This is my first one I've ever gotten. The little macaroons. I love it. So cute. And it's purple. Love that. So cute. Love it, love it, love it. Oh, wow. Comes with this crystal diamond pen. This is paint gem. And look at that. It retracts as if it was an actual pen. Love that. How stinking cute. Okay. So we've got the tools. Well, let's look at this real quick. This looks like their pamphlet. So it tells you what's inside. And then I guess like the instructions on how to do it. Yeah, that's what this is. It's just the instructions. Alright, really cool. Okay, so we don't need that. Put that to the side. Let's take a look at their toolkit because I have never, this is the first time I've ever bought from Paint Jam. So I think I've seen a couple people order from them, but I'm not sure. So we get a multi-placer. I'm guessing probably, I don't know, maybe a 9 or a 10. And then you get your 3-placer, and then your obvious 1-placer, a little squishy for your pen. There we go. Your basic white boat with your spout. And then, oh, they got some nice, oh, these are the first flat ones I've ever gotten. All of the other ones I get are like those really sharp needle nose, those, pointed ones. And look at that. It's got their name on it. I really like that touch. I like that. That is really nice. All right, I think these might be baggies. I don't know. I've never seen this before. So they are. Oh my gosh, these are like little baggies. That is nice. Those are really nice. Those are really nice baggies. Wow, I like that. Yeah. I mean, I don't use the baggies when I kit up unless they're already in bags and it's not that big of a painting. But let's put this back and let's take a look at what I've got. So, looks like this has got some paint. Alright. Or not paint. What did I just say? God. Oh, the foam rollers. I know some people don't like that, but they don't bother me none. Alright, let me roll it the opposite direction. So like I said, this isn't an actual custom. I mean, it kind of is, I guess, in a way. But I don't know. I haven't decided if I'm going to keep it or if I'm going to give it to my in-laws. I haven't decided yet. There we go. There are, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 16 colors. So here we'll take a look at that. That does come with a legend on both sides. I think that's awesome. And this is small. I think this is a 20 by 40. So this isn't a very big wow, so 11, oh good Lord, 11 bags of the 310. Oh my, that's crazy. So that's what it's gonna look like. Wow, 11 bags. All right, so let's take a look at their 310. Come on, focus. There we go. And these are squares. They might not, because I didn't get a choice, so I think Paint Gym might just deal with squares. But those look really good. Now let's look at a lighter color. Let's look at this really pretty yellow. That might be too bright to look at. It's really pretty though. Let's go with this kind of burnt color. There you go. Those gems look really good. Drills, gems, whatever you want to call them. I like that. I like that a lot. That looks really good. Alright, so wow, 11 of the 310s. That is just massive crazy. Okay, let me put those to the side. Let's take a look at the drill or the field in itself. That looks really good. Very clear. Very, very clear. Oh, it's minus the glare I'm putting on you. And it has like little glittery through it. Now, I like this because there's not a lot of confetti at all. So I love that. That is going to be really pretty. Like I said, I haven't decided if I'm going to keep it or if I'm going to give it to my in-laws. But I might just buy another one, and one for them and one for us. But yeah, so it's got the legend, you know, on both sides. So I like that. Gorgeous. All right. It has been a little over 8 minutes, so I am going to let you guys go. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed already, subscribe. It's free. Hit that little notification bell and leave a comment. Share my videos would be great too. You know, all that stuff that you do. All right. Love you guys, and don't forget to always smile. Bye-bye.